28th of March 2022. Ja,
Minkkikuja.
Minkkikuja. Retake see here. Korso. No mirror inside.
Yeah.
Took it away. In Korso, in Vantaa, Helsinki was region Uusimaan in Finland. This was actually put in late 1989, finished in 1990.
Yeah.
As I said, this could be. And it turns out it's all day 2019. This is amazing. It will be inspected in the next year, 2023, and the serial number is H65965. Capacity is 4 per 305 grams. So it's not even 90, it's 89, late 89.
Yeah.
Yeah, and finished in 1990. So turn of the year 1989-90, and we still have 17 more elevators to be filmed here in Korso. I just need to focus better. Oh, that's great. Such a great sunny weather today. Perfect for filming.
Yeah.
And it is plus 12. That's
Yeah.
due to the sand from Sahara.
Yeah.
But it should be like this already, like next. But it will be only plus 3, plus 5 again. So
Yeah.
then we need to wait until April.
Inspected by maintained by Schiller.
Silent rain.
And this also a retake for me.
Yeah, I filmed this 10 years ago with a very bad video. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. And I hope we get to this day as A and B as soon as possible. And in the next building next to this one, building 1, they're from early
That's
99.